A while ago, we were discussing about the Philippine Sanjia Steel Corporation, which was owned by a Chinese national pretending to be a Filipino, the brother of Mr. Michael Yang and Hong Jing Yang. There is a financial transaction with Miss Alice Go. We have invited the said person who owns the Philippine Sanjia Steel Corporation, not only because of him being the brother of Mr. Michael Yang and Ho Jing Yang, his relation to the Alwana compound wherein the PNP inspected the alleged Pogo operation. Yan si Dian Sing Yang, na eldest brother ni Michael Yang, was already apprehended at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport a while ago. That Antonio Lim, where his residence that was submitted to the SEC, Yacal Street, Pugman, Cagayan de Oro City, is the same person of the brother of Michael Yang in the name of Jian Sing Yang, the older brother of Mr. Michael Yang. Si Jian Sing Yang or Antonio Lim owns and he established the Yangtze Group Trade Company Incorporated. These are the different companies that he owns. The Yangtze Rice Mill, dito tayo medyo nag-worry because a lot of hundreds of millions of pesos enter, which is owned also by the brother of Michael Yang in the name of Tony Yang. Sanjia Steel Corporation, who have invested 800 million, wherein 22 hectares belong to us, where he put also a port, a wharf. Doon po nagdadak yung mga ship na kung saan pinapasok po yung mga kargamento papunta po doon sa Sanjia Steel Corporation. The different exchanges of money that involves those who are in the drug trade. I can see prominent personalities that are involved in the drug trade. Most likely, all the drugs entering in our country pass through that port, hiding in a legitimate business. So basically, hindi lamang po sa Pogo nagtatago yung ating mga Chinese personalities, but also in the different corporations.